Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to mount your MSI monitor on a wall, install a monitor arm, or simply transport the display more easily, you will first need to remove the factory stand. Depending on the model, the stand may be attached with release tabs, locking mechanisms, or mounting screws. The good news is that removing the stand from an MSI monitor is usually a straightforward process when handled carefully. Taking your time can help prevent scratches or accidental damage to the screen. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps to safely remove the stand from an MSI monitor. Try these. Step 1. Place the MSI monitor face down on a soft surface. Step 2. Disconnect all cables from the MSI monitor. Step 3. Locate the stand attachment area on the MSI monitor. Step 4. Release or remove the fasteners holding the MSI monitor stand. Step 5. Carefully separate the stand from the MSI monitor. Step 6. Inspect the mounting area on the MSI monitor before installation.